How to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing on your PC. Now, there are multiple reasons or factors why your Rainbow Six Siege client or even your Ubisoft client is crashing out on your PC. So the very basic troubleshooting that you'll need to try is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. In here, ensure that you have a max or full bar so that your game will run smoothly without any network error. Could also be a reason or a factor that the game is crashing. Now the other thing that you would like to do is just to head out straight to your Windows icon and just simply type in update. Now go into check for updates. Now this could also be one of the reason or factors that your game is crashing is because your current operating system or your Windows is currently past due on updating its system. All you have to do is just to hit on update on a daily basis or depending on what updates are going to be available for your Windows. Now your last resort is just to simply uninstall or reset your client. Go back to the Windows icon, tap in apps, choose apps and features. In here, if you have a separate client from your Rainbow Six Siege, all you have to do is just to simply uninstall it and re-download it back again. Same goes with Ubisoft client. So those are the things that you can try to do to troubleshoot and fixing your Rainbow Six Siege crashing on your PC.